Imagine a future where robots are everywhere and they can sing a song for you when you're down. Well, that's still a long way off, but if you are as obsessed with robots and speakers as I am, this cyber-like gadget might satisfy part of your fantasy about the future, which is the Mars Pro portable speaker from Gravastar. Or you can just think of it as a garage kit that can sing and speak for your PC, TV, and smartphones. Look at the black and white color scheme, it just reminds me of the Star Wars movie set. It looks so familiar that we might only see in some sci-fi films before. The shield design has a strong mecha sci-fi look. The wireless speaker unit on the top is built on the zinc alloy sphere, and the triangular leg design ensures pretty good stability. The legs look like some sort of bionic machine inspired by real creature like crabs. Well, they're pretty cute and just remind me of the Soviet terror drone in Red Alert 2, but not that scary. The legs have slightly flexible joints. You can adjust the standing angle to your preference, but don't worry, it won't really sneak out of your room in the middle of nights. The whole body is mainly made of zinc alloy, which makes it quite heavy, weighing around 5.5 pounds. And you can see some very cool EVA elements on the surface. When you put it on the shelf, no one will guess that it's actually a speaker until they see the 3 control buttons on the front of the robot. And then they will definitely get a bit of a shock when they press the power button to wake the little robot up, just like this.
Bluetooth connected.
When Mars Pro is woken up, it will make a very special sound effect like a mecha, accompanied by RGB lighting up. There are 6 dynamic RGB lights which can be set to a single color, RGB breathing, or light up the room to the beat of your music playing. Now let's try to get this robot to sing. Oh no, wait, you should have noticed that it doesn't have volume buttons or knobs or anything like that. So how do we control its volume? The answer is on the top of the robot. After pairing with your device, you can slide this black scale bar or just touch any point of it to address the volume. And now, let's make some big noise.
You wanna find a lover? I only got one love, and it's ice cream. Yeah.
Mars Pro is equipped with 2 full-range speakers located in the front and back of the body, so you don't need to care about where it's placed or which direction it's facing, and easily get a power sound feeding the room. Although the maximum output of speaker is 20 watts, but the sound quality is more powerful than expected, especially in the deep bass. And visually, you can see the powerful bass radiator vibrating with air. Overall, the Sphere vibration design does bring an immersive sound stage that emphasizing bass but not overwhelm the mid-ranges and triples. Anyway, as a portable desktop audio, it can fully meet the sound required when listening to music, watching movies, or even lighting up a party. Considering that users are most likely to use it as a PC speaker, Gravastar also provides a wired connection support for the Mars Pro, so you don't have to worry about latency problems when playing games. And theoretically, you can get stereo sound with dual speaker combination. In fact, you can, but you need to turn it 90 degrees sideways so that speakers are facing left and right, while keeping the listening distance relatively close. Or if you still want better stereo sound from the Mars Pro, Gravastar also brought the audio match feature for the Mars Pro. You can use 2 units of Mars Pro to form a stereo soundstage through either an audio splitter or just a Bluetooth connection. And the combination, no doubt, will be an important component of your desktop setups. So that's the Mars Pro, a portable desktop speaker with a sci-fi look. It's really special in a crowd of elegant and minimalist products. When I was a kid playing Lego blocks with my friends, I would imagine that the robot toy in my hand emitting lasers and making cool sounds just like some movie sequences. Then now someone finally put power speakers into a robot model. Can there be anything cooler than that? Of course, I would have been overjoyed if someone at the time gave me a gift like the Mars Pro, even though the next day is back to school day. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Will from Gizmo China. See you next time.